Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this pretty back strap. Now for doing this strap, I have used a basic crochet stitch, that is single crochet. So this can be easily done even for absolute beginners. And this involves repetition of one row which needs to be done again and again for the desired length of your back strap. So let's see how this is worked out. The materials that we need in order to crochet this back strap are a 3.5 mm crochet hook, any type of yarn as per your choice, scissors, tapestry needle and a pair of D-rings. So let's begin. To start up with our back strap, first make a slip knot. Now taking one of the D-rings in this manner, just insert your hook into the inner side and work one single crochet. Now we'll be working 8 single crochets in total. So just going through this in this way, work a single crochet. Initially you might find it a little bit difficult, but as you go through it will become easier. So in total I worked 8 single crochets for the first round. Now in order to work the second round, work one chain and turn your work. Now for the second round, going through each of the stitches, work one single crochet. So for the second round, again I have done with 8 single crochets. Now we'll be working with our third round. For that, work one chain. Now from the third round downwards, we'll be working with our pattern sequence. Inserting into the first stitch, work one single crochet. And moving to the next stitch, again we'll be working a single crochet, but it will be worked on the back loop. So we won't be going inside both the loops. So just inserting your hook into the back loop and work a single crochet. Again moving to the next stitch, work one single crochet going through both the loops. And into the next, work one single crochet into the back loop. So you'll be alternately working single crochets like this. First single crochet will be worked into both the loops and the next one will be worked on the back loop. So just continue with this pattern till the end of the round. So here I have come to the end of the third round. Now for the fourth round, work one chain and turn your work, and this is a repeat of round 3. So going to the first stitch, work a single crochet on both the loops, and into the next, work one single crochet on back loop. Again moving to the next, work one single crochet on both the loops. So just repeat with this pattern till the end. Now from here on, we will be repeating round 3 for n number of times till the desired length of your back strap. For this back strap, I have worked about 22 inches. So you need to just repeat the round 3 for the required length of your back strap. Now one more important thing that I forgot to mention is that now for the D-ring that I have used, this portion measures approximately 3 cm. So accordingly I have worked 8 single crochets. In case if you are going for a bigger or a smaller D-ring, then you need to work the number of single crochets accordingly and see to that this portion gets completely covered up with the single crochets. So once I'm done with my required length of backstrap, by repeating the round 3 again and again, I shall get back. So here I worked this backstrap for the length of 21.5 inches and I'll be working 2 more rows. Now while starting up with this backstrap, if you remember, I had worked 2 rows of normal single crochets. So while ending the backstrap, I'll be working 2 rows of normal single crochets. For that, work 1 chain and turn your work, and going through each of the stitches, work 1 single crochet. So the second last and the last row will be worked in this way. So work the last row. So we are almost done with our backstrap. Now just cut the yarn and leave a long tail so that it can be used for sewing purpose. So I put the yarn into the needle. Now we'll be sewing our D-ring by placing it in this way and going through the single crochets. Just sew the D-ring firmly to your backstrap. So I've almost come to the end. Now tie knots and cut the yarn. So that completes our backstrap tutorial. Now using these D-rings, you can easily attach your backstrap to your crochet handbags. I'll show you one of the handbags that I've done, to which I've attached my backstrap. Over here, I've attached this backstrap to my handbag just by sewing this D-ring on the edges of the bag in this way. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.